SafeLine ORION is the digital platform from your partner in lift safety. ORION gathers all your SafeLine monitoring into one accessible digital platform. There, you can check the current status of your connected lifts from the comfort of your office. ORION detects anything out of the ordinary using artificial intelligence and notifies you whenever there is a standstill or warning for any of your lifts. The effective overview of all your units and the work that needs to be done allows you to easily plan ahead, avoiding the paperwork otherwise associated with such tasks. SafeLine LYRA gathers all the lift movements, constantly calculating the status of the lift. ORION then analyzes the data using artificial intelligence, giving customers indications of the current status and predicting when maintenance is due. Be notified of possible future breakdowns and get someone on the job before the lift stops working. LYRA can be installed on all types and brands of lifts, regardless of the age or condition of the lifts. Journey into the skies with ORION and let lifts come to you.